Welcome to this 4-bedroom house for sale in Bonnie Doon, East London, South Africa for R2,790,000. Charles Everett International Property Group East London presents this stunning 4-bedroom home in the sought-after area of Bonnie Doon. Ideal for the entertainer, with entertainment lounge, patio and pool area. Further offering an upstairs lounge or work-from-home office. Call today to be the owner of this magnificent home set in an idyllic garden. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.